Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. Every Sunday on Einstein's trending blog, we try and give an idea, short term, which direction the market should be going each week. And again, this week, I think we got it pretty much sort of spot on. I'll read it. What did we say here? We said the ASX 200 chart appears bullish. However, the US President debate Monday could change the direction of the markets. Okay, we're not stupid. We've got a nice little caveat in there. But then we say, however, at the moment, short term, the chart says we're going up and possibly to test that 5,600 level. So, actually, when you actually look seriously, when you look at that ASX 200, I think it is looking really quite bullish, and you can see we're sort of getting a nice little bullish sort of buy signal, and there's no reason why I don't think we can go, especially with the news. Obviously, OPEC cutting back oil production. I think that will give a little bit of a short-term boost to the markets. So certainly that's sort of 5,600, maybe 5,000, sort of just maybe a little bit under 5,600. I think that can be a short-term chart, a short-term price target. And obviously, hopefully, if we do that, then obviously the trending stocks are going to keep up trending nicely. And at the moment, it's good to see obviously FXL starting to move at last, and more or less where we bought it now, and we've got that nice fully franked 3.5% div out of it already. SIP starting to move and got a nice little short-term buy signal, so Sigma starting to do its job. FPH starting to look pretty good. You can see it better on the long-term chart. Looks starting to look excellent. Obviously, the two we put on recently look like they're doing really well. I think they even look better if they can nudge up even a little bit more. I think that they're going to look even stronger. And obviously, Evolution's starting to look pretty good. Northern Star looks even better. I think it looks absolutely stunning. So those sort of buy signals, obviously we need focus to give us a boost, but they're starting to look a lot stronger and definitely starting to recover. Also, what we also do on Einstein's trending blog, we give a good idea which stocks could be bullish and which could be bearish. And I'll just go through. We have two different sections. We have the weekly buy signals, which we feel have got a really strong technical indicator that they should go up that week. And we got the bullish signals, which basically it's through general historical reading of the charts how we feel this should be bullish this week or bearish. And again, this week I think Equity Story is giving great fantastic short-term sort of share trending recommendations. And just this little group here, these are the weekly buy signals, and certainly the standout on that Rio is obviously looking very good. It's up around 4%. ALQ so far this week is up about had a good day today, but it's up about sort of 5.91%, and obviously ARB is up around 2.2%, and NWH it's only sort of moving on sort of small numbers, but it's it's been as high as about 3.5-4% this week. So those weekly buy and sell signals in a week where the market is up about 0.73%, again, are just absolutely doing brilliantly. And also the bullish signals. I mean, if I could pick out some of the obviously the standout bullish signals, generally speaking, they've all done really well. But companies like CSR, just get the graph up here so you can have a look. Companies like CSR have been as high as 5.78% higher. The DOW has been as high as sort of 7.5% higher. IGO has been as high as even as high as nearly up to 10% higher. IRE 3% higher. So again, you can see all the charts are absolutely doing brilliantly. MYX more or less hold where it is. Here's one, NUF, next one. this has done really well. It's been up about sort of 7% higher at its highest peak. So obviously Evolution, Northern Star we had on doing very well. OZL again having a good week, doing very, very well. So these weekly buy and sell signals just doing absolutely brilliantly. And you know what's funny, we've been pretty a bit worried about BHP, and we haven't really liked it. We saw it look bullish, and, you know, even BHP's up around 4.38%. So these weekly buy and sell signals and these bullish indicators that we put on Einstein's trending blog again and again and again, week after week, are picking short-term momentum in charts. And really here at Equity Story we get a lot of pleasure out of doing this, because, you know, I do watch a lot of programs on TV, and you see all these experts and these guys who are worth absolutely millions, and, you know, you always keep hearing them saying, oh, you know, we buy stocks but no one can predict short-term price movements. And I think, you know, what we're proving is just a cop-out. We do it week in, week out, and giving sort of brilliant advice, I think, to all our members. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and have a good night, and I look forward to bringing you the report tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.